Pickering, a lively and connected community where you'll find the perfect balance between life, work, and play. The city is embedded in natural beauty and possesses small-town charm. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the waterfront trail, take in a sunset concert at Millennium Square, relax with a favorite pastime, have the kids play and splash about, or stop at one of the many shops and eateries. Its lakefront backyard, miles of pristine hiking trails, and countless neighborhood parks is pleasantly balanced by an emerging modern downtown surrounded by a wealth of amenities. Pickering boasts easy access to GO Transit, the 401 and the 407, making it the perfect location for an easy commute to downtown Toronto, and has a diverse selection of shopping, dining, and cultural activities. With all of the amenities that a big city has to offer, and home to some of the most distinct and enchanting hamlets in Durham region, Pickering is your place to play. Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, and set amongst million-dollar executive homes on a prestigious street within Pickering's desirable Dunbarton neighbourhood, welcome to 1982 Spruce Hill Road. Lovely perennial plantings line the interlocking walkway and the covered front porch, a befitting entry into this uniquely designed 4+2 bedroom front split brick home set on a beautiful and private 54 by 102 foot lot. The oak hardwood flooring of the reception hall flows into the formal living room, an exceptionally sized entertaining space with a gas fireplace insert in the original floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace, and with a double French door entry from the reception hall. The foyer also has double French doors opening into the reception area, and this spacious entrance features a mirrored door coat closet, a steel front door and side opening casement windows, all with decorative glass inserts, and a built-in wood bench seat. A brick planter is a focal point in the reception area, and above the oak staircases to the upper levels is a cathedral ceiling with one of 7 skylights featured in the home. Oak hardwood flooring is also seen in the main level dining room, hallway, and family room. And the formal dining area features a 10-foot vaulted ceiling with a center wood beam, a picture window with backyard views, as well as a wall cutout with a wood ledge for openness to the living room below. An exceptional workspace, the updated kitchen showcases beautiful oak cabinetry with abundant pantry and storage space, granite counters with a stainless steel double undermount sink and a breakfast bar at the peninsula, appliances including built-in dishwasher, an oven with gas cooktop, microwave and fridge, pot lighting, as well as a bright greenhouse-style breakfast area overlooking the backyard greenery and with access to the solarium. In addition to the home, the all-season solarium has French door entries from the breakfast area and the family room, wood-paneled walls with the home's exterior brick retained as an accent, 5 skylights for abundant natural lighting, and a walkout to the tranquility and privacy of a backyard surrounded with mature trees and complete with a garden shed as well as a Broil Master barbecue with a natural gas hookup. The incredibly spacious family room is open to the above level, and in the corner is a wood-burning Heatolator fireplace surrounded by floor-to-ceiling brick. Its cathedral ceiling has a skylight with a remote-controlled solar blind, while the wall to the kitchen is open and finished with a wood bar ledge and accent lighting for entertaining ease. In addition to a powder room, as well as a laundry room with washer, dryer, freezer, access to the garage, and a side door to the yards, this home also has 2 spacious lower levels. The first, which offers a bedroom and a bonus room, both with double closets, and a recreation area with potential for a fireplace, while the lower basement level has a workshop as well as a bedroom with a gas fireplace, a 4-piece washroom, and a walk-in closet. The upper level has hardwood flooring throughout and features a loft space open to the family room below, a double linen closet, a common-use washroom, and 3 family bedrooms with double closets and ceiling fans. While other great features of the home include a steel roof, a double car garage with 2 openers and remotes, upgraded garage doors with double glazed windows and a side exit to the yards, a train furnace and air conditioning with a Nest learning thermostat, a backflow valve in the basement, and upgraded attic insulation. The master bedroom is complete with a walk-in closet, a ceiling fan, and an ensuite washroom, as well as the potential for a fireplace. And this one-of-a-kind family home is within the catchment area of highly rated public and Catholic schools, is also close to public transit as well as the Amberley Shopping Plaza, while the Pickering Town Centre Mall, Pickering's exceptional waterfront community, the GO Station, and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all short drives away. For a private viewing of this fine home, or for further information about Pickering and its wonderful neighborhoods, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.